If you are looking for something very simple, very lightweight for a kid who wants to be able to just, take photos of everything without having to worry about things like film, this is going to be a great choice for a digital camera. So I'll tell you the good and the things that I don't love so much. So for starters, it is very lightweight, which is nice. I mean, you can honestly slip this thing in your pocket. It's super, super easy to carry. If your kid is tech savvy, then they might be able to figure this camera out a little bit quicker than me. Now, let me be fair. It does come with a manual with a lot of instructions. So I will be very honest. You will probably need some time to actually read through this to understand all the functionalities of this camera. So it actually has a lot more functionalities than I expected, like being able to record video, which was very tricky for me to figure out, being able to, use flash, just the things that you would expect from a digital camera. As far as the quality, it's okay. It's not great quality. I'm not even going to pretend like it is. The camera on your phone, the quality of those photos and videos are going to look a lot higher res than what you're going to get with this digital camera. So to turn on the camera, you just press this button right here. And then that's to do have like a little plastic screen on, but you hold that button down, it'll make that little sound, and then the camera will be on. And then this is where you can see. So here is where you can see me in the camera, so you know that the camera is on. And then it did take me some time to figure out that you have to hit the display button in order to find the photos that you've taken. And then if you want to scroll left and right, you can do that. You can delete them with the down button. And then you zoom in with these two buttons right here. The zoom doesn't change anything about the quality, just a heads up, but that is where you are going to zoom. It does also come with a USB-C port. So I did plug the USB-C piece into the camera, and then I plugged the USB part into my laptop, and it was really easy for it to just pop up. So on the screen, I just chose the top option, and then I was able to pull up the photos that I've taken on the laptop. So like I said, if you're looking for something very basic, I think that this is going to be a great option for you. It's not fancy by any means. Like I said, the photos are not super high res, but it's a cute camera for a little kid who wants to just, run around and be taking photos. And if they do want to be able to print them out or pull them up on a laptop, you can do that as well.